Question 1. Who was the first Governor General of India? A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Lord Canning, C. Warren Hastings, D. Lord Mountbatten. Answer: C. Warren Hastings. Question 2. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Bimbisara, D. Bindusara. Answer: B. Chandragupta Maurya. Question 3. In which year did the revolt of 1857 take place? A. 1856, B. 1857, C. 1858, D. 1860. Answer: B. 1857. Question 4. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer: B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 5. Which dynasty built the Khajuraho temples? A. Maurya, B. Gupta, C. Chalukya, D. Chandela. Answer: D. Chandela. Question 6. Who gave the slogan, Inqilab Zindabad? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer: B. Bhagat Singh. Question 7. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? A. 1757, B. 1761, C. 1857, D. 1707. Answer: A. 1757. Question 8. Who founded the Arya Samaj? A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, C. Swami Vivekanand, D. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Answer: A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question 9. When was the Indian National Congress founded? A. 1885, B. 1905, C. 1942, D. 1857. Answer: A. 1885. Question 10. Who was the first President of independent India? A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer: C. Rajendra Prasad. Question 11. Who led the Salt March in 1930? A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Sardar Patel. Answer: B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 12. The Indus Valley Civilization was discovered in A. 1901, B. 1921, C. 1935, D. 1890. Answer: B. 1921. Question 13. Who was the last Mughal emperor? A. Akbar II, B. Bahadur Shah Zafar, C. Shah Alam II, D. Aurangzeb. Answer: B. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Question 14. Who wrote Discovery of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. B. R. Ambedkar, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer: C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 15. The capital of the Maurya dynasty was? A. Patna, B. Delhi, C. Ujjain, D. Taxila. Answer: A. Patna. Question 16. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? A. Akbar, B. Babur, C. Humayun, D. Aurangzeb. Answer: B. Babur. Question 17. Which Indian freedom fighter was also a barrister? A. Sardar Patel, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer: C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 18. Who was known as Frontier Gandhi? A. Maulana Azad, B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, C. Syed Ahmad Khan, D. Ashfaqullah Khan. Answer: B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question 19. Which Gupta ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? A. Samudragupta, B. Chandragupta, C. Skandagupta, D. Ramagupta. Answer: A. Samudragupta. Question 20. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? A. Lord Hastings, B. Lord Dalhousie, C. Lord Wellesley, D. Lord Canning. Answer: B. Lord Dalhousie. Question 21. When did India become a republic? A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1949, D. 1951. Answer B. 1950. Question 22. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? A. Ramakrishna Paramahansa, B. Swami Vivekanand, C. Swami Dayanand, D. Aurobindo Ghosh. Answer B. Swami Vivekanand. Question 23. Which war ended with the Treaty of Buxar? A. Battle of Plassey, B. Battle of Buxar, C. Anglo-Mysore War, D. Third Carnatic War. Answer B. Battle of Buxar. Question 24. Which movement was launched after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Quit India Movement, B. Civil Disobedience Movement, C. Khilafat Movement, D. Non-Cooperation Movement. Answer D. Non-Cooperation Movement. Question 25. The slogan, Swaraj is my birthright, was given by A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak.